Well, we're going down to that big thing down at the bottom there, and we're going to see, we got all these trees and everything here. Where is it? Over there? Oh, it's more park stuff. Oh, there's more park down there too. It's very nice here in this town. Like I said, that's the building that we're going to up there. All right. I'd like to go on these things here and get all tangled up inside of them, but we're still working our way up to this building over here. All right, we're on the move now. This is the entrance here. And here, big stained glass. And here, it's on both sides too. All right, and we're going to go in there eventually. It's very nice. We're inside now, and I got my mask on. We all have to have our mask on here, so the voice is going to be a little bit muffled here. But we're inside. You got the fountain, and you got all kinds of stuff here. Walk around, see everything. See the ceiling. Here's the back of that big one we saw when we entered, and see the entrance on the other side. Let me get back here a little bit and see who this guy is here. I'll have to translate it later for you. But there he is. Let me get a close up of this guy here. There he is. He's looking right at us here. There he is here. Come around, and we'll walk through here. We'll walk up to this thing here. It looks like this is the desert section over here, because everything looks very dry over in that area. So we're going to walk over there and see. We'll come down this one. There's one of our people down there waving to us here. Okay. Walking through the ferns here. Here we go. Walking right through here. Got a nice fountain here. Here's the sound of the water. There we go. Let's come up here. See the other things here. And what's down here, the fountain. We got this this jobby here. I don't quite know what this is, but it's kind of nice. I kind of like it. And it's like this is the desert over here. This is all desert type plants here. Okay. Did a little walk through the desert. We got this big cactus here. Yeah. We got the barrel cactus down here. More barrel cactus here. Very nicely done. All good looking cacti. Very good looking cacti there. Yeah. Then we're going to come out here, out from the desert. Going to come back up into another big stained glass. I'll come up, take a closer look at this. See how it is up close and personal. There you go. Alright. 16th September 1933, Mikado. We got some low-hanging trees here coming up. Coming through here. There you go. We're walking right through them here. Yep. Coming out. There we go. Coming out, breaking out into the open here. Okay. Another fountain here. Very good supply of water. And more stained glass up there. And we got some fish down there. Might be a little hard to see with the camera here, but there are some fish. There's one right over there. Going around. And lily pads here. There you go. And more lily pads over here. Oh, there's a lot more fish over there. You can see a bunch of them there. Yeah. Here's where we are, down there. Okay. And a nice reflection on the walkway here as we're going by from the stained glass up to the top. Very nice. I think this must be the Japanese or the Chinese section here, because it's written in two different languages. We're going to walk through the bamboo here and go across this red bridge. We're in this little bamboo canopy here. Yes, it's very nice. We got to change the SD card here soon. Okay, here's a nice bridge. Look at this bridge, how nice it is. We'll walk up on here. Go to the other side. Beautiful. Got excellent work here. Lily pads. So you can see the reflection of the ceiling, but come up here. Yeah. There it is. All the bamboo. Here's the bridge. And we came across. Very nice here. Done a beautiful job. Yeah. Just to walk around. Yeah. Look at this. We got the Japanese over there. You can see the water is not flowing on these things. They don't have them turned on, but normally they'd be turning and you'd see different things there. But there are some fish down there. Hard to see with the reflections, but coins. People are throwing coins in there too. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Alright. And this is more Japanese influence where they rake the stones in different patterns here. So this whole area with the bridge down there, the bamboo, this must be the Japanese garden area here. As you can see the different structures they have here. Telling you that, yeah, this is definitely Japanese here. Alright, we're going out of the Japanese section. Oh, we have a little model or something. Pretty well beat up from the top. You can't see in there, but this is kind of where we are. somewhere. I think we're in that building over there. We walked down this area here because the bus parked up here somewhere. So we walked all through here, and we're now in this building over here. All right. So here we have a message written in stone. Let's see what it says. Cosmovitral. Cosmovitral. Maybe Cosmovitral. Yeah. Cosmovitral. Cosmovitral. Okay. There's that in here. Got the light coming right in here. So today is the 3rd of February 2022, and you can see I'm back here with the stained glass back there, and we did a little tour. We're walking here. We're going to dinner next, and we'll be back in Mexico City, and tomorrow hopefully be on the plane heading back home, unless it gets canceled here. So there we go. It's right there. Okay. And One Man Travel. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. I'm at the entrance. I hear church bells. I don't know which church it is, if it's the one in front of us. It's probably just 5 bells, maybe 5 o'clock. So, okay.